Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Prime Minister and distinguished guests, I think it's indeed a significant occasion. For the first time in the history of this country, a sub-sovereign entity has executed international capital markets transaction, and that too a green bond. Therefore, I must congratulate Chairman WAPDA and his team. Now, bond issuances of sub-sovereigns are done in the private sector all over the world. They offer capital market solutions to the funding needs. However, for Pakistan, this is the first, and should encourage further such transactions in the future as the economy embarks on the growth path. Green bonds have been becoming popular globally as countries reorient their policies to join the race to zero emissions. Only in the first quarter of this year, the world issued $107 billion of such bonds, with most of them in Asia Pacific. And during this year, there's an estimate that globally there'll be $450 to $500 billion of such bonds, much higher than the last year, which was around $312 to $13 billion. WAPDA's green bond follows the successful, $2.5 billion Pakistan's, Eurobond, and as I think the chairman said, it was oversubscribed 6 times. The success of this transaction was reflective of the confidence of the international community in the policies of the Prime Minister Imran Khan. And I think this is very evident. After the Eurobond, the green bond. Under his multi-pronged drive on climate change, Pakistan has been at the forefront of environmental conservation. These efforts have received international recognition, and WAPDA's green bond will add to our success story. The Ministry of Finance is also fully committed to contribute to Prime Minister's vision. While WAPDA's green bond is Pakistan's first such international transaction, it is heartening that the SCCP is presently reviewing global approaches and drafting policies to encourage local bonds in this market. The 2 projects, Bhasha and Muhammad, are critical to the country's future energy, water and food security needs, and their timely completion will surely have a significant impact on our growth and development. The ministry remains available to contribute towards these and other projects of national importance. The outward approach of WAPDA thus bodes well for other public sector companies, as mentioned by the chairman of WAPDA. And I think they should follow suit. There are several public sector companies with strong balance sheets, so they should go out and actually raise money for their own development. I would also encourage leading private sector companies to explore this option, because I don't see too many private sector companies going out, with this kind of option. The issuance of green bonds and the use of their proceeds on environmentally friendly, proceeds are essential for Pakistan to meet its intended nationally determined contributions committed at the UN. Going forward, I wish WAPDA all the best in its national development agenda, and I express my deep gratitude to the Prime Minister of Pakistan for his support and leadership. Thank you very much.